Imagine you're a captain of a ship, sailing through a vast ocean of projects. You're surrounded by a crew, each with their own tasks, deadlines, and responsibilities. How do you ensure everyone is on the same page, working towards a common goal, and avoiding a chaotic collision? That's where Wrike comes in. It's like a sturdy compass, guiding your team through the stormy seas of project management. But who exactly can benefit from using this powerful tool? Let's dive in and find out. Section 1. Teams of all sizes. Wrike isn't just for large corporations with sprawling teams. It's designed to accommodate teams of all sizes, from small startups to multinational conglomerates. Whether you're a team of 2 or 200, Wrike can help you streamline your workflow and boost productivity. Small teams. For small teams, Wrike offers a simplified interface that's easy to learn and use. You can create projects, assign tasks, set deadlines, and track progress without getting overwhelmed. It's a great way to stay organized and ensure everyone is pulling their weight. Large teams. For larger teams, Wrike's robust features can help you manage complex projects and coordinate the efforts of multiple departments. You can create custom workflows, assign permissions, and track progress in real time. This ensures everyone is aligned and working towards the same objectives. Section 2. Different industries. Wrike can be used by teams in a wide range of industries, from marketing and sales to engineering and software development. Here are a few examples of how different industries can benefit from using Wrike. Marketing and sales. Marketers and salespeople can use Wrike to track campaigns, manage leads, and collaborate on sales proposals. They can also use it to create content calendars, assign tasks to team members, and measure the success of their marketing efforts. Engineering and software development. Engineers and software developers can use Wrike to manage product development, track bug fixes, and coordinate with other teams. They can also use it to create project timelines, assign tasks to developers, and monitor project progress. Creative teams. Creative teams, such as designers and writers, can use Wrike to collaborate on projects, manage deadlines, and track the progress of their work. They can also use it to create project briefs, assign tasks to team members, and share feedback on their work. Section 3. Remote and hybrid teams. In today's increasingly remote and hybrid work environment, effective communication and collaboration are essential. Wrike is a powerful tool for teams that work remotely or have a mix of in-office and remote employees. Centralized workspace. Wrike provides a centralized workspace where teams can communicate, collaborate, and stay updated on project progress. This helps to break down silos and ensure everyone is on the same page. Real-time collaboration. Wrike's real-time collaboration features, such as shared task lists, comments, and file sharing, make it easy for teams to work together effectively, even when they're physically separated. Time tracking. Wrike's time tracking features can help teams monitor productivity and ensure that resources are being used efficiently. Section 4. Freelancers and contractors. Freelancers and contractors can also benefit from using Wrike to manage their projects and collaborate with clients. Wrike provides a centralized platform for communication, task management, and file sharing, making it easy to stay organized and deliver projects on time. Client communication. Freelancers and contractors can use Wrike to communicate with clients, share project updates, and collect feedback. This helps to ensure that everyone is on the same page and that the project is progressing smoothly. Project management. Freelancers and contractors can use Wrike to create project plans, assign tasks, and track progress. This helps to keep projects on track and ensure that deadlines are met. As you can see, Wrike is a versatile tool that can be used by teams of all sizes, in a wide range of industries, and in both remote and in-office environments. Whether you're a small startup, a large corporation, a freelancer, or a contractor, Wrike can help you streamline your workflow, boost productivity, and achieve your goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.